This Blackstone 8001E series electric griddle is a remarkable addition to the world of griddles, offering an exceptional blend of convenience, versatility, and performance. This 22-inch griddle, with its 1,200 watts power, is tailored for those who desire a high-quality cooking experience without the fuss of traditional fuel sources like kerosene, charcoal, or gas. Whether you're hosting a brunch or a barbecue, this electric griddle promises to deliver restaurant-quality grilled food that will impress your guests. Let's delve into the features and performance of this innovative appliance to understand why it stands out. One of the first things you'll notice about the Blackstone 8001E series electric griddle is its sleek and modern design. The griddle is constructed from stainless steel and features a non-stick, ceramic titanium-coated surface, ensuring durability and easy cleaning. The tabletop design makes it perfect for those with limited space, such as apartment dwellers, and for those who want a portable griddle for camping or tailgating. The patented rotate and remove glass hood is a standout feature, offering both protection and functionality. It traps heat effectively, allowing for better cooking and steaming, and can be easily removed when not needed. This hood not only adds a touch of elegance, but also enhances cooking efficiency by maintaining consistent heat levels. The 312 square inch cooktop provides ample space to prepare a variety of meals. Whether you're cooking breakfast, lunch, or dinner, the griddle's surface can handle it all. Imagine cooking up to 12 pancakes, 12 eggs, 12 hamburgers, 9 steaks, 16 strips of bacon, or 12 chicken breasts at once. The Blackstone griddle can accommodate these quantities with ease, making it ideal for feeding a crowd. The dual-zone heating is another highlight, enabled by the EZ-Touch control dial. This feature allows you to set different temperatures for the two cooking zones, giving you the flexibility to cook multiple items simultaneously without worrying about uneven cooking. The large LCD digital display is user-friendly, offering clear and easy readability of temperature settings and other controls. The Blackstone 8001E series electric griddle is designed with user convenience in mind. The EZ-Touch control dial is intuitive, allowing smooth adjustments to the temperature. This is particularly useful when you need precise control over cooking different foods. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface and the grease management system. The low-profile rear grease management system efficiently collects and contains grease, preventing it from spilling over the cooking surface. Additionally, the grease cup is dishwasher safe, adding to the overall convenience. This griddle is not just for grilling. It is versatile enough to cook a wide range of dishes. From breakfast staples like eggs, bacon, and pancakes to lunch and dinner favorites like grilled cheese sandwiches, quesadillas, kebabs, and even steaks, the Blackstone griddle can handle it all. The ability to cook any meal at any time makes it an indispensable tool for any kitchen or outdoor cooking setup. One of the key selling points of the Blackstone 8001E series electric griddle is its portability. Weighing in at a manageable weight and featuring a compact design, it's easy to transport and set up wherever you need it. This makes it an excellent choice for camping trips, picnics, tailgating, or even just moving between the kitchen and the backyard. Electric griddles like the Blackstone 8001 are inherently safer than their gas or charcoal counterparts, as there are no open flames or fuel to handle. This reduces the risk of accidents, making it a great choice for families. The consistent electric heat ensures efficient cooking, reducing the cooking time and enhancing the overall experience. In summary, the Blackstone 8001E series electric griddle is a top-notch appliance that offers a blend of modern design, versatility, and convenience. It eliminates the hassle associated with traditional grilling methods, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking. Whether you're an apartment dweller with limited space or a camping enthusiast, this griddle provides a high-quality, hassle-free cooking experience. Its ample cooking surface, dual-zone heating, easy-to-use controls, and straightforward cleanup make it a worthy investment for anyone looking to elevate their grilling game. The patented rotate and remove glass hood, along with a non-stick ceramic titanium-coated surface, adds to its appeal, making it a standout in the market. With the Blackstone 8001 E-Series Electric Griddle, you can cook anything, anytime, anywhere, turning every meal into a memorable culinary experience. So, join the Griddle Nation and enjoy the ultimate in grilling convenience and performance with Blackstone. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.